Hello CMA Inter final students. Welcome to my channel CMA Union. This video is very much important as I am going to solve all the queries regarding online live classes for CMA students. Okay, so before taking the first query, let me tell you one thing that please watch the video till the end, otherwise you may have some doubts even after watching the video. So don't skip any of the part. Okay, now let me take the first query, that is how to attend online live classes. So for this you have to come over the official website of institute, that is ICMAI. Now click on the student section. So here at the right side you can see the option of e-learning portal. Now here you have to fill your registration number and date of birth. After filling, you have to click on login. So here is your link for all the live classes which are going to be happen, and as you can see here, the link will be activated 1 hour before the scheduled time. For example, if it is of 10:30 am, then the link will be activated after 9:30. So when the link will be activated, you can click here and attend the live class. And this is for all the CMA students who are in inter and final level and going to appear for June 22 term. Okay, and this is the schedule of February. Now let me take your second query, that is how to watch recorded lectures. If you have missed your January classes, then you can watch from, you can click over e-classes library recorded. Okay. So as you can see, you have to select your level. For example, if you are intermediate student, then you can select on intermediate webinars. So here is the link for all the recordings. You just have to click and you will get the recording from class 1 to all which are already happened, and the links will also be provided with when it will be ended. So for all the subjects you can find your links. Okay, now let me tell you how to check your schedule for the month. So here the option of students online coaching classes, you have to click here, and as you can see, here are the links for your schedule of online coaching classes of CMA Intermediate course for June 22 term examination for the month of February. These two links are for February and below are for January month. Okay, so let's click on the February month for intermediate course. Similarly, you can also download your schedule for any month, for any level. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like and share, and if still you are facing any trouble, then comment down. I will try to solve it, and if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel CMA Union.